Hey everyone, Mark Berman here, and I wanted to give you an update from the Capitol. This week is the House of Origin deadline, which means that for most bills that were introduced in the Assembly, if they don't pass out of the Assembly this week, they're dead. They're no longer going through the legislative process. And I've got great news, which is that I went 9 for 9 on bills that I introduced on the floor this week. The last bill that we just got off the floor a couple of minutes ago had to do with allowing folks to go and get amended, corrected death certificates when their loved ones have passed away, but when the original death certificate had an error, like it misspelled your loved one's name. This came from a constituent at a community coffee that we had in East Palo Alto, where they came and said that their loved one's name had been misspelled, but they couldn't get a corrected death certificate issued. So my bill will allow you to get a corrected death certificate for clerical errors like a misspelling of your loved one's name. Another bill that we got passed had to do with student suicide prevention, which is a really important issue in the 24th Assembly District. This bill will provide the best suicide prevention training, online training, for every teacher, student, and administrator in every school across California, which is really important because teachers typically, or especially teachers, are the gatekeepers to our students. They spend a lot of time and can identify when our students are struggling. We also passed bills on housing and creating more housing in unincorporated county land like North Fair Oaks in my district. And also on a lot of elections bills, including ballot tracking, so that you as a voter can track your ballot as it goes through the process and get a notification to change something or correct something like a signature if you've somehow submitted your ballot with an error. So we're doing a lot of good work here in the Capitol. In addition to the 4 bills I just mentioned, I had 5 more that passed this week and a few more that passed before this week. So to keep up with what I've been working on, visit my website. You can read about all the bills, and thanks for paying attention.